Hi friends, this is proof of concept of turning a manual dumbwaiter system into an electric system on a 3-floor mansion. I've been working on this on and off for a couple of years now, and I've used mechanical and electromechanical relays and circuits in here. However, I'm going to use Arduino. We're on the first floor, which used to be a kitchen where they sent food up to the first floor for the mansion, and we open the door. You notice that there's 3 floors here. We're immediately going to put in a relay bypass. There is a safety on each door on each floor. At this point, we're going to put the relay safety in to show you the operation of the mechanicals. Down at the bottom, we have a door which has a Kazon half-horse lift motor on it with a standard pendulum. Now I've put in a up and down mechanical relay here. I tried an electronic relay first, but it did not work correctly. So I used the electromechanical relays. They've been perfect at this point. Inside we have relay system for each of the buttons. These were the old electromechanical relays that have been bypassed with a 5-volt system. That has also been bypassed. I think the Arduino was going to be a much better system at this point. Here we have a safety for the bottom, and as you can see at the top, way up there, 3 floors up, is the car. And here we go. We're going to press the button and see what happens. You hear the motor operating. The relay is functioning on the down. And the car is approaching. If everything works correctly, it should stop at the bottom. You notice I put an extra shelf in here. This was the original car where they had multiple shelves throughout to send food up, but I decided to put a folding shelf in order to show out the capacity. 110-pound capacity per se, but I think I'm limiting this about 50 pounds. We're going to press the up button here, and it should go up. And stop automatically at the top of the 3rd floor. Perfect. Again, and I want to note this for everyone here on YouTube, this is proof of concept only. This is not the finished product. This is proof of concept only. I do not sell these plans. I just wanted to show you that this is possible to turn an old manual dumbwaiter system into electric very easily, not for human use.